Hello friend, good morning. So today we discuss ninth question. Okay, eighth question complete in previous video. So what we do today we discuss ninth question. Ninth question written here 3 in bracket 5z minus 7 minus 2 in bracket 9z minus 11 is equals to 4 in bracket 8z minus 13 minus 17. So what we do? First we solve the equation, then find the value. Okay, find the value, then check the value true or not. So what we written first here? Now we solve the equation. Now we solve the equation. Okay, what we do first? Take 3 multiply in both 5z in 7, 2 take multiply 9z in 11, 4 take multiply 8z and in 13. So take 3 multiply 5z, that is 15z, 15z minus 21. Okay, minus 2 take multiply 9z, that is minus 18 days in 18z, minus 2 minus 11, that is plus 22, is equals to 4 8 ja 32z minus 13 4 ja 52 minus 17. Okay, here all bracket we solve. So what we do? First take variable 15z 18z is variable, so 15z minus 18z. Okay, and constant at one side, that is 21 plus 22. Here only one. Yeah, here only one variable. So take 32z. Okay, minus 52 minus 17 is minus 52 minus 17. 5, 7, 2, 9, 5, 1, 6. That is 69. Okay. So here 15z minus 18z is minus 3z. Okay. Minus 21 plus 22 is plus 1. Because minus plus is minus. So 21 minus 22 is 1. Here is greater value at the front of positive, so we take here positive number. So what we do? 13 2z minus 69. Okay, what we written first? Here are two variable, 3 minus 3z and 32z. Here two constant, 1 and 69. So what we do? Take variable at one side and constant at one side. Okay, so minus 3z plus 30, sorry, minus e come here, so minus 32z minus 16, here is minus 1. Okay, if you take 35 3z minus 3z minus 32z is minus 35z. Here minus 70, minus is cancel out, so value of z is equals to 70 divided by 35. Here z is equals to 2. Okay, now we find value of z is equals to 2. Easily we find value of z. So you written in your copy. Then I says ki how we find value of right or not. So first you write in your copy. Please use our video, okay? Because it's free of cost. In UCBSC board there are many fees for coaching. So if you saw there, then you can find free of cost. So you solve, then what we do? Put the value, check the value true or not. So here it is. Now we check value. Now we check the value at z is equals to 2. Okay. So what we do? At place of z, what we written? 2. So 3 here, 5z, 5 multiply 2. 5 multiply 2 minus 7 minus 2 9 multiply 2 minus 11. Okay, is equals to 4. 8 multiply 2 minus 13, that is minus 17. Okay, so what we written? 3 5 to the 10 minus 7 minus 2 9 to the 18, 18 minus 11 is equals to 4. 8 to the 16 minus 13 minus 17. So what we written first? Solve the bracket. Okay, so solve bracket. 10 minus 7 is equals to 3 minus 2. 18 minus 11, that is 7, is equals to 4. into 16 minus 3 is 3 minus 17. 30. So 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 2 7s are 14 is equals to 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 17. Here minus 5 is equals to minus 5. 9 minus 14 is minus 5. 12 minus 17 is minus 5. So we easily written here, here LHS is equals to RHS. Okay. LHS is equals to RHS. That means value of Z is equals to 2 for this equation is true here. So you written your copy LHS is equals to RHS. When come, then we understand would find value is true for this equation. Exist here. Okay. So now we discuss 10th question. 9th question is complete. Now we discuss 10th question. Okay. Tenth question given in your book 0.5, 0.25, 4f minus 3 is equals to 0.05, 10f minus 9. Okay, so first what we do, solve the equation, then find the value, then check value true or not. So what we write now? Now we solve the equation. Now we solve the equation. Okay. So how is solving? First multiply bracket 0.25 to 4f and minus 3. So what come when multiply by 4? So here 1.00. Okay, because 0.25 multiplied by 4, 4 5s are 425 is 100. Mean take 20 point and 1. Okay, 1.00 f minus multiply 3 in 2.5 is 0.5 is 75. Okay, 75 is equals to multiply by 0.05 to 10 f, then 9. Okay, so what come 0.05 multiplying 10, that is 0.5 f minus 0.5 0.05 multiplied by 9 comes 0.45. How is comes so here we discuss take 5 are 15, take 2 point after point, then comes 0.5. Okay, 0.05 multiplied by 9, 0.05 multiplied by 9, we easily know 9 5s are 45. So here written after two number points, so write here 0.45. Okay, then what we do, we saw first whose variable portion, whose constant portion. Okay, so here two variable, one f 0.5 f, so take one side 1.00 f minus 0.5 f is equals to 0. Minus 0.45 plus 0.75. Okay, so here what comes 1 minus 1 minus half, so come half, this means 0.5 here is equals to minus 45 and plus 0.75 743. So here comes 0.30. Value of f is equals to 0.6. Okay, value of f here we easily written here 0.30 divided by 0.5. One step also we discuss. F is equals to 0.30 divided by 0.5. Here easily solve, point out, cancel. Okay, so 3 by 5 0.6. If we divide by 5 2 3, that is if here not value is less, so what take point. So here come 30. So 5 6 are 30. Okay, 0.6. Understand? So value of f is equals to 0.6. Now you solve. You first written in your copy, then solve. Okay. Now we put value in equation and check value true or not. Okay. So what we do? now we check the value at 0.6. Okay, putting value in equation first. 0.6. So here 0.25, 4 into 0.6 minus 3 is equals to 0.05. 10 multiplied by 0.6 minus 9. Okay, so first what come? 0.25 here. 4 multiplied by 0.6 is 2.4 minus 3. Okay, so 0.05, 10 6 are 60. So point out after one number. So here 6 minus 9. So what come here? 0.25 minus 0.24, 3.00, 2.4. So what come? 10 minus by 4, so 6. Here what come here? 0. So take 0.6. Here 0.05. 6 minus 9 is minus 3. Okay, so what come here? Here 0.6. So if multiply 25 is 6, so 0.25 multiply 0.6 come 150. 6 25 जा. So here by decimal given after 3 numbers, 6 5 2 1 2 3. So here come 0.15. So minus 0.15. Here 0.05 multiply by minus 3. So come minus 0.15. Okay, so here given value is true. That means at 0.6 that equation is exist. So you easily written in your copy. If not anything understand, then please comment in my chat box. So I solve your problem. Okay.
आगे क्या मम्मा?
बोलो मत, वो क्लास कर रहे हैं। आओ अब बुलाएं, अब आप पहले दूध पी लो।
Now we solve chapter 3. Chapter 3 is written understanding quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Okay, understanding quadrilateral. So here written chapter 2 is finished here. One by one our question is discussed in video. Okay, so right now we discuss chapter 3. Chapter 3 is written understanding quadrilateral.
इसमें तो मैग्नेट मिला।
Understanding quadrilateral. Understanding
क्वाड्रिलेटर।
Understanding quadrilateral. I think this is quadrilateral. Okay, so here written understanding quadrilateral. You know easily what is quadrilateral. There are given 4 sided, like any shape given by only 4 sides, like 1 2 3 4. We say easily this is figure of quadrilateral. Okay, so first introduction, what given in introduction, you easily understand. You know that the paper is model for plane surface. Here says you know paper model is given plane surface and something happening in phone. Just wait. Yeah, written introduction. You know that the paper is model for plane surface when you join number of points without lifting a pencil. without lifting pencil from the paper and without retracting any portion of the drawing order this single point you get a plain curve. Okay, here says ki if you without lifting your pencil point a curve point a paper like this without lifting. Okay, without lifting your pencil, so you draw paper like a plain paper. Not anything introduction is given. So convex and concave polygon. Okay, written. Important is convex and concave polygon. So convex and concave polygon. Window off करो. Window off. Convex and concave polygon and concave polygon. Convex and concave polygon. So here written convex and concave polygon. Okay. Convex and concave polygon. So here written a simple closed make up of only line segment is called polygon. Says ki a simple close कोई भी means any figure are close. So we can easily say polygon. Okay, like this close. Our portion is close here. So we says ki here close figure. So what we say that is polygon figure. एक second. Okay, so here written any figure in closed portion. So what we say segment is called polygon. Okay, that is curve that are polygon, curve that are not polygon. That means if any side open side like in your book given, yeah. So this is open portion. So we say it's not polygon figure. It's polygon figure because it's closed all side. Okay. So polygon definition says if any figure close all sides, so we say easily this is a polygon, otherwise not polygon. Open portion is not polygon. Here some convex polygon and some concave polygon given. Convex polygon, what's a convex polygon? Convex polygon, yeah. Convex polygon is given in a irregular manner like hexagon. And here given pentagon, and here another given one I think octagon, eight sided. Okay, here written quadrilateral, four sided. That means we can say in regular manner. Like here when say here equal, that is same side is given there. Pentagon given. मतलब means we can define this figure in one manner. Like we given name anything in figure given name like hexagon, pentagon, and trilateral, triangle, quadrilateral. Okay, so here we can easily say this is convex polygon. Convex polygon. What definition of concave polygon? Concave polygon we not define anything like whose shape. In your book given, we can't define this shape. Whose shape is given? Okay, only we say this is polygon because closed in all side. So here written one example are not define anything. Whose shape given? Only we say easily this is polygon figure. So when figure not defined, so we can written here concave polygon. Okay, concave polygon. Or here convex polygon. So given one by one all thing like equal not. So all thing here convex and concave source. So written here given here are some figure exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1. Now we solve exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1. Given here are some figures. There are given many figure. Okay. So says classify each of them on the basis of following. On the basis of following. Like first given simple curve. Simple curve. Second given simple closed curve. Simple closed curve. Third is given polygon. Fourth is given convex polygon. Convex polygon. And E is written here concave polygon. Concave polygon. So there are many picture given. So ask whose simple curve, whose simple closed curve, whose polygon, whose convex polygon, whose concave polygon. We can write here whose figure are given. So you can saw in your book there are many given figure. Okay. So what we written first? There are simple curve, simple closed curve, polygon, convex polygon and concave polygon. So here we can easily written here whose simple curve. Simple curve is given 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Why 1, 2, 5, 6, 7? Because we can easily saw curve. Curve that means bend portion. Okay. So in one given. Okay, that's bent portion, simple curve. And in 2 there are also given at shape of kite. So here is bent portion, simple curve. So in 5 we can easily solve. So there we can easily solve. Here is bent portion. So 1, 2, 5 and 6 is 6 also is bent portion. And 6, 7 we can easily solve also bent portion. Okay. So all thing we can easily solve simple curve portion. 1, 2, 5, 6 and 7. So bent portion is simple curve. Now we say simple closed curve. Here we not so ki close or open. So here written simple closed curve. In simple curve we written all thing close and open curve. In simple closed curve only closed portion. Closed figure is given. So we can say ki that's the simple closed curve. So simple closed curve in given your figure is 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Okay, because here is not any portion is open portion. So all is curved. So all is closed. Here we can easily say here is closed portion. So all thing here as it is simple curve. Because all figure is given here closed portion. So in your book second ask polygon. Polygon is 1 and 2. That means 1 and 2. Because why only 1 and 2? What is this polygon? 1 and 2. There are polygon that means 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is given a shape, not in whose shape we define. So here this is polygon and kite shape is polygon. Okay. So now ask the convex polygon. Convex polygon is convex polygon is 2 and concave polygon is 1. Because in 2 shape we can easily define its pentagon. Just wait. It's quadrilateral because there are 4 sides. Okay. So this is quadrilateral shape. One is only not defined whose shape given. So we can ask ki convex and concave polygon is type of polygon. So convex polygon is 2, concave polygon is 1. So 1 and 2 is polygon. Okay. Polygon is not in circular form. So third is not true for polygon. Here not any star like given your book. So polygon not defined this star circle. So only defined as a line segment. Okay. Given anything in line. not in circular form, not any star form. So first question is discuss here. So here written state the name of regular polygon. Regular polygon का name लिखना है. So what we written in exercise 3.1 is question number 2. So 2 is given regular polygon name. If given three sided first है. In second given की four sided. If four sided then what we given name here in polygon. If given six sided. If six sided given then what we given name in polygon. So what we written here, that is equilateral triangle, because three side is given in triangle portion. So we can easily write here triangle or equilateral triangle, because in all triangle given side given three sides. So here we written equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle, that means three sides are equal. Four side is given square portion. In your answer written square. Not take square, because same take square or rectangle, anything written. Like four sided quadrilateral, we can easily here quadrilateral. Okay, in six sided hexagon, regular hexagon, like okay, shape of hexagon. Here is six sided. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So six side given is hexagon, four side is given square, three side is given equilateral triangle. In four sided we easily given quadrilateral also. So I think we completed exercise 3.1. Next video we discuss 3.2. So thank you for watching.